In the chapter number 3 in integration, when we can't apply the rules, specific rules there, we can integrate by 2. First, integrate, wait, we can't apply the rule directly, uh, integrate by substitution. Most important thing, substitution. Most important one. When we can't apply the rules, I have taught and we have learned the rules. Rules apply කරන්න බැරි වෙලාවකට we can integrate by substitution. Substitution කියන්නේ for example 2x plus 1 it represented by u. That's a substitution. That's an easy. I'll explain. Integrate by substitution. Consider an example like this. In e to the power 2x dx තියෙනවා කියමු. Substitution. හරි. First we need to identify the substitution. Select the term first. Then u represented by 2x. Let e represented by e equal 2x. හරිනේ. හරි. එතකොට how can we write this? E to the power u dx. Now we change or we can write it again. Differentiation of du with respect of dx. මේකට කොහොමද වෙන්නේ දැන් ෆයිනල් ආන්සර් එක? මේක differentiate කරොත් 2 වෙනවානේ. හරි? 2 වෙනවා. එතකොට du equal 2dx as a subject. du subject කරලා dx එක මෙතනට ගිහලා multiply කරා. du equal 2 into dx. හරි? Then dx equal again I subject the dx first. dx equal 2 over du over 2 නේ. මේක මෙතනට ගිහලා divide වෙනවා. එතකොට dx equal half into du. Accept it? Do you all accept it? If yes or if no, I'll explain it again. Now we substitute u equal 2x කියලානේ. We substitute that. Now we are derivative. We get the derivative of u with respect of x. එතකොට du equal dx 2 නේ. Derivate කරොත් 2x එක derivate කරොත් 2 වෙන්නේ. හරි? Now what's the answer for du? We just subject the du and 2 into dx. Accept it? Hurry. What's the answer for dx? We just divide both sides into 2. Right side and left side as well. Both sides 2 divide karot du. Accept it? I hope you all understood. Hurry. Done. Now we just apply it here. Now we again I write the equation. E to the power 2x. We wrote it as e to the power u dx. Dx the answer question. Now we write dx as a du function. Dx as a du function. එතකොට eu into dx equal 1 half du නේ. 1 to du නේ. හරි. Then මේ half එක constant එකක්. We need to integrate. We need to integrate. This is the constant එක. We just take out from the integrate eu into du. Then I split it. This is the important step. I just took the out the half and eu into du. We just apply the substitute. Then right. Then Again, we don't need to write the du. Then එතකොට half into what's the integrate of EU? මේක du කරන්න කිව්වොත් integrate නේ කරන්නේ. EU we just take e to the power x, the integration should be ex නේ. The same e to the power sorry, the integration of e to the power u, the answer should be e to the power u නේ. Here we apply the exponential rule here. එතකොට I'll raise it half into e to the power u වෙන්නේ half into e to the power u represented u equal to x. And the answer e to the power 2x. Don't forget to put the c. How we substitute? Listen easy. I start from the easiest one. Again, I have another question. I have another question. Now, e to the power 3x dx කියමුකෝ. හරි. Now we need to represent that u equal 3x. Substitute කරා. How can we write eu equal into dx? This is our new function. Hari. What's the derivative du of the with respect of x? 3 නේ. Done. එතකොට du equal වෙන්නේ I just subject dx equal 1 by 3 du. Hari. Now we just substitute this. Again rewrite the question. We can write we can write dx as 1 by 3 නේ. 1 by 3 du. එතකොට eu into 1 by 3 d as a constant eu into du ඕනේ ආයෙත්. මේක constant නේ. Then the eu equal the integration of eu equal eu මෙන්න වෙන්නේ. We apply the rule here. 1 by 3 e u represent the 3x නේ. එතකොට 3x. Here we can come to the conclusion. When the question given e to the power 4x, the answer 1 over 4 e to the power 4x. When the question e to the power 5x, 1 5 e to the power 5x, e to the power 6x, 1 to 1 6 e to the power 6x. Just let me know in WhatsApp, then I'll recheck it. Feel free to message me, right? Then new thing එකකට යමුකෝ. There's another question. We have another question like this. 5 e to the power 2x. Again, I forgot to add the c constant. Don't forget to add the c. අනේ plus c add කරන්න ඕනේ. We need to add this plus c constant. Then here we have the 5e to the power 2x. Then the answer the same. 5 is constant. එහෙම තිබ්බා. එතකොට integrate වෙන්නේ then මේක විතරක් බලන්න. e to the power 2x. The answer 1 2 into like 5. We apply the 1 to the power e to the power 2x. Then we can rewrite 5 by 2 integrate e to the power 2x. Then practice this question e to the power 3x. Make a constant whenever home a constant vela. Then e to the power 3x, 1, 3 integrate e to the power 3x. This will cancel out the final answer e to the power e2 integrate e to the power 3x. හරිද කියලාත් බලන්න. I'll make mistake in calculations. Done.